Mike Hughes here. I'm at Crest Products, and it's actually Crestdiving.com. It will be where you would find these products. But at DEMA, we always have new innovations and new manufacturers here. So these are some of the new regulators that are come out, first stage and second stage.
Actually, this is our design model.
Oh, the design model.
Yeah, so we can just, if you want to do your own brand, we can just OEM this.
Oh, and you can add stuff to your, if you wanted to say it on it for you.
Actually, our product is this one. So just this logo is our product, and this is our OEM product.
Oh, the end product that you would put for these people.
Yeah.
Well, that's kind of cool. So if you've got a dive shop or a dive operation, you can have stuff put on the end of your regulators?
Yeah.
Oh, cool. So, okay. So they have a whole brochures on what they do. So if you want more information on these new products, once again, crestdiving.com.
Yes.
All right. Thank you very much.
Thank you.